At number 10 is Underneath the Tree by Kelly Clarkson. And this one, I do have a quick space fact, because y'all know me, if you've listened before, that I just love space. And I'm going to push space into it somehow, because it's what I love studying, and it's what I'm studying here at college. And so what this one is about a really cool cluster called the Christmas Tree Cluster. So specifically, it is actually, they put out a new image of this cluster, the star cluster, on December 17th this year. And it was combining data from NASA's Chandra X-ray Observatory and optical data from astrophotographer Michael Clow's telescope in Arizona. The Chandra data is represented in red, purple, blue, and white, while the optical data is displayed in green and violet, and it makes a really pretty picture. Most of it is green, and then all the different like stars are all the different colors, so it looks like a whole bunch of like little lights and ornaments on the tree. It looks super cool. And specifically what the Christmas tree cluster is, it is within an object known as NGC 2264. Which actually has multiple different astronomical objects within it, including the Christmas tree cluster. The other well-known object that is within this designation is the Cone Nebula, which is another really interesting, funky kind of looking nebula. There's also two other objects that are considered within this designation that are not officially included, which is the Snowflake Cluster and the Fox Fur Nebula. There's so many cool things within NGC 2264. And if you also look at the cluster, my writer friend Daniel Kibblesmith, he said that the cluster kind of looked like Rygel from Farscape, and I can see it. It definitely, if you look up Rygel Farscape and put the two images close to each other, yeah, it's like you can literally like see the mouth, and it's like the exact same mouth. It's really interesting. So that's kind of just a fun little thing to do a quick side-by-side comparison. But again, here is Underneath the Tree by Kelly Clarkson.